Yep. So on today's episode of Today in the Toolbox, I was messing around with this thing. I was watching David Bennets' video on common chord progressions, and one he talked about was a minor one. And you hear this in like one of the couple of the examples he gave, where like we are number one, Seven Nation Army, but it's a one, a flat major six, a major five, and back to one. And the way that I was kind of using it here was this. So kind of the idea I had was the verse could go something like this. It's in 12/8 time, so I'm doing 2 bars of the minor one chord, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, whoops. And then from there I could kind of prepare a shift, because that sounds like a good verse. And then I want to shift it into, for the chorus, I want it to shift into C major. And I could do that in a couple of ways. I could always go So I'm not sure what I want to do with the chorus just yet. I'll figure out some chords for that. But I just kind of wanted to get this idea down. I really like this idea with the arpeggiated right hand. It's just taking a basic triad in the right hand, and I'm using an octave to start it off. It's going do 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 twice for that tonic chord, and then goes down to that flat six. prepared for the chorus instead of going do 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 and using the dominant of E major, I'm gonna go do 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 F major, then up to G major, or G major 7 to be more specific. Linger on that. And then I'm going up in my right but down in my left. So I'll figure out kind of what chord progression I want to use for that and post on the next one. Thank you for tagging along.